Monopoly Revolution. How to play. The rules are the same as regular Monopoly except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. Lay out the board and put the game unit in its center. All money is digital and each player takes a bank card. Press any button on the game unit to turn it on. Hold the C button to clear the balances from the previous game. Whenever you need to add money to your account, put your card in the green side. Whenever you need to spend money, put your card in the red side. If you need to pay another player, then they put their card in the green side while yours is in the red. Always wait until the new balance shows on the cards before removing any card from the game unit. To view your balance, insert your card into either side, then remove it without pressing any buttons. When you land on or pass go, insert your card and press the go arrow. Money increments in thousands and millions, indicated by the K or M respectively. When typing in money, you must include the proper increment after the numbers to enter it. Press the C to delete a mistake and re-enter it. The game is divided into 4 zones: walking, cycle, car, and rocket. Go, free parking, jail, and go to jail are not included in these zones. When you land on a zone space, press the zone button. Pick to either choose any single zone and every player in that zone gets a chance, or you may travel to the next unowned property and put it up for auction. To perform the chance option, wait until the game unit shows the zone icon you want to affect, then press the zone button, and every player in that zone must follow the chance message. If you pick the other option and every property is owned, then you can force a deal and swap one of your properties that isn't in a complete set with any other player's property that also isn't in a complete set. To auction a property, press the deal button to start a timer. When the timer ends, the auction ends and the highest bidder wins. If the auction ends before the timer, then press the deal button again to stop it. Randomly throughout the game unit may show a question mark and give out a chance. The chance applies to the player who had just taken their card out of the game unit. If the chance comes up when you're in the middle of a transaction, then follow the instructions immediately and lose out on that transaction. If the chance sends multiple players to an unowned property, then the property is auctioned. Auctions start at 10,000 and increase by any amount. There are 4 utilities on the board instead of 2, and they function just like railroads. When repaying a mortgage, round up to the nearest 10,000. The price to get out of jail is 500,000, and it must be paid before you roll. If the game unit displays get out of jail on any player's turn, then all players in jail are immediately released.